everyone, it's Ann here from Annmakes. Thanks so much for stopping by. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. That way you'll know what's going on, and if you click on the bell, YouTube will notify you whenever I post new content. So if you don't want to miss any of these Dollarama hauls like I have today, or other haul videos, or some of my tips and tricks for organizing your craft room, or for DIY videos, then clicking on that bell will make sure that you are notified when I post new content. So today I have a Dollarama haul, as I just said. It's been a while since I've done a Dollarama haul, just because there wasn't a lot for me to show you that was new or interesting. I think it's because the store that I go to the most is like moving stuff around in the store a lot, so a lot of the shelves are empty. They're trying to make a way for all the new Christmas stuff that's coming, so I'm not sure. I'm assuming that's why. So I haven't seen a lot of new stuff, especially for the crafter DIYer. But I did go a couple days ago, and I found some things. I found some really cute stocking stuffers, I have to say. Well, these are going to be gag gifts for me to give to someone. I saw these humorous caution signs, and these are the home deco, where they have the home decorating, and these are $1.50 each. And this one says, "Caution, I haven't had my coffee yet." So it's just like one of those, caution wet floor signs that you would see, so someone could put this on their desk. And I thought I could put this here on my desk, so my family knows. Caution when approaching me, I haven't had my coffee. Here's another one that I thought was really fun: disturb at your own risk. So, and actually, the person I'm thinking of giving these to is my husband. My husband, some days, I think these signs would be beneficial for him to put on his desk. He probably wouldn't dare, but I think he should. Sorry, honey, you have so much to deal with at work. The stories I hear sometimes, yeah. So this one says, "Caution, disturb at your own risk." And then I thought this is the one my husband could really use on his desk. Warning, no whining zone. My husband doesn't work with children. He works with adults. But, he could use it. Some adults whine more than children. So that's my funny bit to share with you today. And now I have something I was really excited about, and you might not be excited about it, but I thought this is a really great deal. It's great value. You can get a box of 60 of these Staedtler graphite pencils, HB or number 2 pencils. Plus you get 50 of these little eraser caps that you can stick over the eraser bit when you run out of eraser. And they're the white eraser, the white Staedtler eraser. So I love these pencils. I think these are really good quality pencils, and I have purchased many of these in the past in smaller quantities at Staples usually, and sometimes I've had them at Dollarama. And I swear these are really, really good pencils. They have a strong lead. They're durable pencil, and these are graphite, so they're even tougher of a lead. And drawing and writing with them is very, very nice. The eraser erases really well. It doesn't smudge. It's not a cheap eraser. So for $4 to get 60 of these very good quality pencils, I think that's a steal, and I wanted to share that with you. I personally purchased 2 boxes. One box I will be gifting to my son in his Christmas stocking, because he's like me. He loves pencils and pens and writing and notebooks and things like that. So I will definitely go through pencils. I go through a lot of pens and pencils, and in a year, and my son is starting to develop that habit as well. So I know he will be very happy to get a whole box of pencils. So the next thing I have to share with you that is like sort of crafty. I think this is crafty. This is good for drawing and crafting, and we all need to use a pencil sometimes. They have the 7 customizable sheets of shrink art. Go Create is the brand, I believe, or this is from Horizon Group. I see a lot of the Horizon Group products at Walmart in the craft section as well. And yeah, so this contains 7 pieces of 5 by 8 inch of a shrink plastic. So I know Dollarama sells larger sheets of shrink plastic, so you may want to compare for your value what is better. I just purchased one of these because I do have other sheets of shrink plastic that are larger, but I thought I wanted to show this to you because you do get 7 sheets, and I thought if you're working with kids or you're doing a project, you know, you're babysitting, whatever, and you don't want there to be any waste, and you have several kids who want to do the same type of project, maybe small sheets would be more suitable for that situation. So yeah, these are the shrink art, the kind that you can color on with markers, pencils, and you cut out, you stick them in the oven, follow the directions, and they shrink to a fraction of their size. I don't know if there are instructions inside of here. Maybe. Looks like there are instructions at the back of the cardboard here. I could see through the plastic. I could see some writing. So yeah, so I believe this was $1.50. Can't remember, of course, because they don't put the prices on here. I think it was around $1.50. Another crafty find I came across, and I was like, this is a good find. They have the cardstock stickers. These are by Momenta, and it is the it was repackaged for Dollarama, and it is you get 64 pieces of these alphabet stickers. They're stickers, and these ones are of cardstock, like not cardstock, craft paper. They look like craft paper cardstock stickers, and these are $1.50. So they're quite large. This is my hand here. You can see. Now there was one package of this brown cardstock or craft cardstock. There was one package of these pretty, I would want to call them kind of rainbowish or watercolorish letters. Again, they all have 64 letters, $1.50. And I saw there were just a couple of the black with silver, and they had a lot at my store. They had a lot of the gold ones. That's very reflective. So what a good deal this is. You get 64, and I'm sorry, I forgot to say that they are all uppercase letters. So this is the font. They were all the same font across the different colors. So another find that I think is crafty are these little, what do you call these? I guess little shadow boxes. This one reminds me a lot of a tea box. There's a glass cover on it, and it's $1.50, but I will open it so you get to see that it's not just a box with sections, but it also has the slide off lid. This is an acrylic. It's a very, very thin acrylic. Careful you don't get one with a scratch on it like I did. And yeah, there we go. So it's not glass, it's acrylic. I've seen these in larger sizes, but to me it's a first to see it in this smaller size, and I think that's really cute. This would be a cute little box to stain, paint, decorate, and maybe for a person that has little collectibles, maybe little Shopkins, little figurines, there's, you know, lots of people collect lots of things. This would be, you know, a cute way to display them or to store them, or you could put mini tea bags. So yeah, I wanted to share that with you. I think that's cute. It's a cute little possible DIY. Now the other item I have to show you is not crafty at all, but I thought it was a good deal. They have the Dr. Scholl's graduated compression socks for men. I got these for hubby. My husband travels extensively, and sometimes especially when he travels overseas, he has to travel to Asia, or you know, he's on the airplanes for a very long time. And I noticed recently on a trip that he did, I was in Europe, I think, or whatever, and he came back. I noticed his legs were swollen, and that's new for him. So I thought maybe this would help him. And he said his legs were very tired. So I know I deal with circulation issues when I fly, and I wear compression socks, so I just thought I would get these for him. They are black. They will, you know, blend in with his business wear usually, so I thought this would be helpful for him to have just for traveling. So I got him a couple pairs of these, and these are $3.50. They are not the same as the prescription graduated compression socks. These are what's the strength here? They are a mild compression. They're a 10 to 15 mmHg, 10 to 15. So they're very light compression socks. So I guess if you're not someone who has a serious circulatory system problem, or whatever, these are enough for you. But speak to your doctor about that. No, don't. I'm not a doctor. So something that I picked up that I hemmed and hawed over, and I hesitated because I thought this is $4, and I don't have a little girl or anything, but I couldn't resist. I got this anyway. They have these giftums, gift of friendship, a world of friends. And I had to get this one because what I saw here, there was one of the little dollies here is from Canada, and the other one is from the US. And there were only two like this, and all the other packages that they had were from all sorts of different countries. But when I saw a Canadian and American, I said, I have to get that because I have so many beloved friends in the US, and I just thought that would be really, really cute. And this is a way for kids to learn about other countries, and apparently it's kind of educational, and you can learn about a city, I think. Surprise gift box opens up to reveal an iconic image and flag from her native country and city. So, and this one, I got, the girl from Canada is, I think, oh, it's Vancouver, and the city is Seattle. So, on the back of the package, I see there is also one in the collection from Montreal, and it says there's others. So I don't know if there's one from Ottawa maybe, or Toronto. That would be fun to see, but definitely if I ever find the Montreal one, I will definitely get that. So this is $4. So they're these little, like, collectible little dollies, and there's information for you to look up online and stuff like that. So yeah, wanted to share that with you. Finally, the last item I have to share with you are some wall stickers. And this is what I got. This is a passage Bible passage, and it is Corinthians 13. Yeah. So this is one of the passages that we chose at our wedding. Love bears all things, believes all things, hopes all things, and endures all things. So when I saw that, I was like, "Aw!" So just, to remind us, endures all things. Yeah, I think I'm enduring. Believes all things. I want to remind my husband of that one. I just thought, oh, that spoke to me. So I got that. The wall stickers at Dollarama, I don't remember how much they are, but when I find the price, I'll put it on the screen. So that's what I have to show you for this haul. I do have another Dollarama haul to share with you that was done on another day, and it's just the bag is in another section, and I'll get to it. So thank you so very much for watching. I hope you found something interesting, maybe that you're inspired to get for either Christmas stocking stuffer for yourself or whatever, and hopefully you are inspired to get crafty as well. And yeah, so thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and please like, comment, share, and until next time, stay crafty, everyone. Bye.